welcome back to my channel. I absolutely love making YouTube videos. Instead of doing videos every Sunday, once a week, I'm gonna try out doing them a couple of days a week. Instead of doing one 30-minute video on Sunday, I think I'm gonna spread it out and do 2 or 3 different 10-minute videos. This video is a little shorter. It's the 10-minute video that I hope to start doing, and in this video I'm going to be doing laundry and cleaning my son's room. I have 2 boys and 2 girls. This bedroom is my youngest. And I'm just taking his sheets off. I'm going to wash his Spider-Man sheets, and I'm putting clean sheets. These ones are white and they're so soft. I love them so much. Luckily, his bedroom never gets very messy, so that's kind of nice. And these pillowcases I love. They're a little sheer, so you can tell that I see right there, you can see the stripes of the pillow through the pillowcase. So I'm taking them off and putting these white sheets on these pure white pillows. And then he's got a Spider-Man pillowcase that I'll put over the striped pillows. As soon as his quilt and pillowcase is washed, I will put them both on the bed. And now I'm back in my bedroom. And now I'm in my bedroom folding towels. You'll notice that's my favorite place to do laundry. It's just a big open area and it's easy just to stand next to my bed. Sometimes I sit on my bed and I fold the clothes or blankets or towels or whatever it is. Today it's a mixture of clothes and towels that I'm cleaning. While you're watching this video, are you guys cleaning right now? Are you doing laundry? Are you working on a project? If you are, let me know in the comments below. I know for me, I love watching other people's cleaning videos. There's something about watching somebody else clean, seeing their start and finish. It's very motivating. So I'm hoping that my YouTube channel is motivating for you. And also a cool thing about, one of the many cool things about a new YouTube channel is I have very few subscribers right now because we're brand new. And so if you leave me a comment, I'm going to read it and I'll be back to you right away. It's not a huge channel like our Baby Alive channel. We have a bigger channel, 230,000 subscribers. And when we used to get comments, they've disabled comments on all kid channels, but when we had comments in the past, we would get so many. It was almost impossible to respond to everybody. But with a brand new channel, it's very easy. So leave me comments, please. I love getting comments on our channels. And now, look at this picture. I just thought it was so cute. My son did this in art. And it looks like a colorful caterpillar. It looks like a caterpillar. And this is where he does school. And so I'm gonna clean this up because it's Friday and I just don't want to see any signs of school right now. It's been kind of difficult to have school at home, but at the same time I've really loved having my children home. But for the weekend I like to put everything away and just have a good time together with no school. These are blankets that he likes to put on his lap or his legs when he wakes up in the morning. They're cute baby blankets that he's had for a long time. And now I'm just gathering everything on the surfaces, on his table, his dresser, his nightstand, this TV stand, and just putting everything away. And you can't see in this part of the video, but on his nightstand I'm actually collecting everything that belongs in a different room on his nightstand, and then at the very end, I'll put everything away. Instead of taking a ton of trips, I'll do it all at once. I'm putting his table in his closet, and I don't want to get it out until Monday. Now I'm taking everything off of his floor because we're gonna vacuum. Putting more toys away. And the color of this video is kind of weird. I realized towards the end of the video how to change the setting on my camera so it looks brighter. So this is just wood cleaner. I'm just dusting everything. Technically, I don't know if you put wood cleaner on a painted piece of wood furniture. I don't know. What do you guys use to clean your painted wood? So here's the pile of everything. So I'm going to put everything away at once. I like to take the laptops out of their study area and I bring them back on Monday. That's our laundry room that I'm in right now. You can see a Spider-Man blanket back there. I'm washing his Spider-Man sheets right now, and then after that we'll wash the comforter and the pillowcase. I absolutely love this vacuum. This is the Dyson V8 Plus Animal Vacuum. I bought it at Costco and it's amazing. I love it so much. The only complaint I have about the vacuum, oh my goodness, there was so much stuff behind his cabinet right here. So I'm glad that I moved it away from the wall so I could clean and vacuum there. But the only complaint I have about the vacuum is the life of the battery. I thought we would be able to take the battery off and buy a second battery so that when this one died we could replace it, but they're attached and so you can't take the battery off. Of course you can recharge it, but if you use the vacuum at the full power, it will only last for 7 minutes. If you use the lower power, it lasts about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So I just use it on my rug downstairs, and not usually in the bedrooms, but I am here, and our stairs. So I thought I was recording when I made his bed. His quilt is all clean, and I thought I was recording me putting the quilt on the bed and the Spider-Man pillowcase on his pillows, but something happened. I must have not have pressed record. So here in a few minutes at the end of the video, you'll see it all clean. This is a few days later. You'll see his cardboard table is back in his room. It's because it's a few days later. It was a school day. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I would love comments. Don't go yet. Stay till the end so you can see what his room looks like at the very end. Everything's fresh and clean and vacuumed, and it just feels so good.